So I see some smiles out there. I see some looks of concentration. Those are all good things. That means your brains are sparking a little bit. And we have time for a couple more pieces of music before we pack it in for today. And again, I highly recommend that you check out the recordings of these sessions, because when I learned from James Hill, I learned basically by watching his recordings and emulating what he did until I did it. All right. And I firmly believe in monkey see, monkey do. Even if you don't have a huge music theory background, just watch the fingerings and watch the rhythms and try to copy them. All right. It's pretty simple if you put lots of time into it, which is annoying. So it's up to you. I know that when I retire, I'm going to be doing nothing but ukulele playing. But for now, it's fun to multitask. Let's take a look at the Bangles. All right. This is a song from 1987 or so. The video is amazing if you check it out on the links that I sent. And anybody who was around back then will definitely remember Susanna Hoffs as the, what would you call her, firecracker lead singer of the Bangles. She was about 5 feet tall, and she sang and played loud guitars, and they were one of the first girl bands that I ever heard. And I loved them as a kid, and I still love them today. So let's take a look at Hazy Shade of Winter, which is a cover song. Now, there's one sort of tall order in this one. You have to play B major, all right? And there's no way out of it. There's no cheats. But I will give you one little tip. If you're playing B major, you can sort of cheat by making it into a bar chord. I told you before about the A chord and how it has harmonic notes. Imagine that you played that A chord, not with your first and second finger, but with your second and third finger. So it looks like that. Now, imagine that you move that up 2 frets, and you then bar the entire second fret. Oh, bingo! We're playing B. Without having to worry about barring half of a fret, you could just bar the whole thing. But if you think in your brain A chord, but with second and third fingers slid up 2 frets, that's a quick way to get to B. Now, in the song, we're also going to have to jump back to E minor, and luckily, that's on the exact same fret. All right, so the important thing about B major is you have to hit this B note, all right, which is on the A string. B7 is not the same as B major. You have to make sure you get second fret A string, otherwise it is not on pitch, all right? So that's a tip for B if you don't feel comfortable with the half bar press, which I've taught before. Remember, if you're doing a half bar press right, you should be able to see through your fingers to the wall on the other side, right? If they're arched up good enough. Now, let's try Hazy Shade of Winter. There's some neat strumming patterns in this. It sort of freewheels a little, and then it gets back into more standard stuff. As you can see, the beginning part, we're holding each chord. Then we do a fast island strum for the riff, and then we island strum and hold here and there, and down strum here and there. It's sort of a mixed bag of everything. But when we get to those choruses, they're pretty straight up island strums. Now, this last section, this last little bridge is a little tricky because we switch to the key of C. So be ready for that. And then that E minor, B, E minor, you have to downstrum each one. You'll see what I mean when we get there, all right? And I hope you enjoy this play along. Looks like the rest of it's pretty understandable. Hopefully I arranged it in a way that's legible. All right, so let's get mystical. Instead of holding it, maybe you even want to just do a little fast strum, right? Time, time, time. See what's become of me. And now the riff is island strum fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was so hard to please. 1, 2, 3, look around. Leaves are brown, and the sky is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear the Salvation Army band. Down by the riverside, there's bound to be a better ride than what you've got planned. 2, 3, 4. Carry a cup in your hand. 1, 2, 3. Look around. Leaves are brown, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. Hang on to your hopes, my friend. That's an easy thing to say, but if your hopes should pass away, simply pretend that you can build them again. Da 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 da. Look around, grass is high, fields are ripe. It's the springtime of my life. And then nice sea. Seasons change with the scenery, weaving time in a tapestry. Won't you stop and remember me? 1, 2, 3, riff. Look around, leaves are brown, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. Look around, leaves are brown, there's a patch of snow on the ground. Look around, leaves are brown, there's a patch of snow on the ground. Look around, leaves are brown, there's a patch of snow on the ground. What a neat song to play. And one of the things I love about that song is to play that lead. If you ever wanted to get fancy and try the lead, it's sneaky because all you have to do is play each note in the chord. So if you had a pick and you wanted to pick that out quick, so if you wanted to try playing that lead with a friend, you might want to play around with that. And it's easy because it's just the same notes that are in the chord. And that's what makes it fun to play. So